Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I am unboxing Softflex Company's September Mystery Design Kit that's called Spider Queen. And every month, Softflex Company has a mystery kit. You're let in on the colorways and the title, but a lot of things are just a complete mystery, which is fun. So when you get it, it's like, oh, what can I make with this? And it always comes with a spool of their colored, beautiful soft flex wire. It always comes with findings, ear wires, lobster clasp, awesome crimps, bead mix from Jesse James Beads, bead strands from Softflex, and it's wonderful. And so I'm really excited because I love Halloween, so I'm excited to open up this kit that actually debuts today. Like I said, it's every month they have a reveal. Tomorrow a new kit will be on sale at their site. And if you're a member of their very important beater Facebook group, you can post your designs and it might be featured on their blog. You will be entered to win a $10 off coupon for their website, softflexcompany.com. And just so you know, Softflex Company does not sponsor this. I bought it myself. I am a big fan of their company and their products, so just thought I'd share that with you. And I had the sense to have a plate, so when I open the beads, they don't go everywhere. So they always have it's always beautifully packed like this every month, and it's just so adorable to get. And this month, I have a feeling that the colorways are going to be gray, black, and purple, but we'll see. It always comes with this adorable baker twine that I save for like tags or junk journal stuff. And a beautiful sticker. Look at that beautiful things inside. Yay! So here we go. The Spider Queen kit. Ooh, I do see purples. Yummy, 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 yummy. And I always save these too. Well, if you're a junk journaler like me, we save about everything. Oh, I see spider charms. Oh my goodness. You get tons of stuff in here. You can make lots of jewelry with just one kit. Seriously. I'm talking a few necklaces, a few bracelets, a few earrings. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love olive green. Look at that. Olive green with some purple. Holy cow. The kit does come with a $5 off coupon also, but also a list of everything that's in the kit, but I accidentally threw that away, so I can't actually read everything that's in it, but I will show you. That's what show and tell is. But oh my gosh. Gosh, I love this. Olive and purple. And this looks like check glass pumpkin beads. I love pumpkin beads. Oh gosh, those are always beautiful. This looks like clear, pinch beads. A string of clear pinch beads. They almost always, if I'm not mistaken, do check glass. Oh, look at that purple. Looks like a bronzish, copperish luster. Oh, and white. And it's not just milky white. It has some of that metallic. And a spool of their pure amethyst soft flex beading wire. Beautiful. Oh, and check this out. Okay, so this must be, what's that called? Like a gunmetal? Look at all the crimps they give you. More than enough. And looks like spider charms. Spider web. Let me go ahead and just open it. It's just too tempting. I must bill. Oh yeah, 2 spider charms. And cute little spider web with a spider. And again, you have an two pairs that you can make earrings with, a lobster claw, crimps, and here's the Spider Queen Design Elements bag of beads from Jesse James Beads. This is created in partnership with Softflex Company, so you can only get these special beads when you get the monthly kit, which makes it nice because it's exclusive. Oh, and I see it's in the same colorways. Oh, wow. More spiders, more spiders. Oh, wow, some gunmetal spiders. Pretty. Oh, look at these rondelles. Not only are they purple plated, but it looks like it's got purplish crystals. Ooh, and some gunmetal ones. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, wow. These almost look like an aurora borealis type. Whoops. See, even with a plate, I end up spilling it. Look. How cool. Wow. Dropping things. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, a lot of black bead caps. I was just thinking, man, I could use some black bead caps. That's a part of it. Awesome. Ooh, triangular faceted. Dark purple. Oh, man. Nice. Can you imagine the jewelry you can make with this? Seriously. Oh, beautiful. Little squares. Bead caps, some white. Nice, nice. And of course the purple wire. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, if you want to sign up, they actually might have some Spider Queen kits still on their site. Sometimes they sell out before the month's end, but they might still have some if you want to go to softflexcompany.com to see. And they should be debuting tomorrow, whatever their next month kit is going to be. So hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. And again, you really get your bang for the buck when it comes to Softflex. They have such high quality things, and the kits are very challenging, and it's cool if you just try to stick with the kit itself and not bring in your own beads, because then it's like, oh, what can I make out of this? And as you can see, you can make quite a few things, because this is like an entire strand. There's 3 of these, plus this strand, plus all these. So, all right, well, I hope you're having a crafty day and you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.